Alright, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, this is Brian Frill coming back at you in 2021, showing you how to get that passive income. Now, what I'm showing you is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but I'm just simply showing you simple ways you can make money online. Everything you do online is a risk, so you need to take that into your consideration. Do not spend more than you can afford to lose, because you can make a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money. So, with that being said, do your own due diligence, and let me show you what I'm doing. So, as you may see right here on your screen, the coin market cap is where we see, what the leading cryptocurrency currencies are in the world right now. So today I'm going to talk to you about number 3 right here, Binance Coin. All right, number 3 coin in the world right now in the coin market cap, that behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm going to show you how to get some passive Binance Coin. You do not need to recruit anyone for this program. It's very easy to do. You just simply sign up and you get paid. And I'm going to show you that payment proof today as well. So what I'm talking about is called BNB Profits. All right. So it's very simple to do. You just simply decide to enroll in the program. They combine the best of farming and DeFi centralization. DeFi decentralization, and they just pay you Monday through Friday for what you earned. Automatically to your wallet. They pay directly out to your Exodus wallet or your Trust wallet. But let's get right into it. Earlier, I released a presentation video overview of the whole company, and also how to get signed up. I'll leave links below this video on how to look at those videos as well. I've only been in for a couple of days. I got in late 2 nights ago, so I've really been in for a full 24 hours now. And I've just gotten paid, so I want to show you guys how great this is. So when you come into the program, you're going to sign up. Just follow the link underneath this video. You're just going to give them your email address. You're going to give them your name, password, and you're going to create your account. Then you're going to actually go into your settings, and you're going to give them your wallet, either your Trust wallet or Exodus wallet, because they're going to pay you directly into your wallet Monday through Friday. So you do not have to request it. There's no withdrawal fees. You just get Binance Coin directly to your wallet. And once again, let me show you. Binance Coin right now is at $439. Okay, this coin has been on the rise continuously over the last 3 months, and it's just been a beautiful thing. Look at this growth. Look at this. Okay, in the last 3 months, this coin has gone from being under $100 to where it is right now at $439. I mean, that's amazing. So you need to get in on this. Now, if you've been on the sideline, worried about not getting Bitcoin, or you didn't get it before, or whatever the case is, now's your opportunity to get in and get this Binance Coin, number 3 coin in the world, get it paid directly to your wallet with no fees. Okay, so I got in with the one Binance Coin investment, or deposit actually. So let me show you this. So when you come in, it's simple to do. You're going to come in, you're going to decide which package works best for you. You're going to earn 2.2% on this package Monday through Friday. Now, if you decide to recruit, have a great recruiting referral program, but you do not need to recruit a single person to earn on this program. Okay, so simply what you're going to do is you're going to decide you want to come in with half a BNB, 1 BNB, 2, 4, 8, 12, or 20, right? And you don't even have to have BNB to get in the program, because once you pick your package here, you're going to go scroll down here and you're going to choose your payment method. They accept Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, or Binance Coin. So whichever one you choose, that's what you can pay in. So you can choose to have, if you have Bitcoin, you can deposit with Bitcoin, Binance comes out to your wallet. Deposit USDT, Binance comes out to your wallet. Deposit with ETH or BNB, Binance comes out to your wallet. So it's that simple. Now, for me, I got in with the 1 BNB. So let's say I wanted to get in now for the 2 BNB, right? What they're going to do is you select this package here. You're going to go down and select how you want to pay. Let's say I want to pay in BTC. I'm going to generate the order, right? Once you generate the order, it's going to tell you exactly how much Bitcoin you need to send them and the address you're going to send that to, okay? And this is very simple. Now, I've already put in 1 BNB, so I don't have to pay 2 to get to the next level. I'm just going to pay the difference. So since I'm already in for 1, if I wanted to upgrade to the second one, I just need to get 1 more BNB paid to them. Now, and I'm pay for that in Bitcoin. That's what I'm choosing to do. And you can do the same thing. So you just simply go to wherever you have your Bitcoin, whether it be your Exodus wallet, whether it be your blockchain.com, whatever it is. You pay them the amount of Bitcoin in order to get enrolled in the program, and then you begin to earn on that 2.2% Monday through Friday, and you're paid out directly to your wallet. Now, let's go ahead and show you the payout here. So once you get paid out, they show you here that you get paid out directly to your wallet from your earnings, and they show you the wallet address it's going to go to. This is where you would actually come in and you actually put in the actual wallet address that you're going to use. It's very important. You're going to also have 2FA set up on here. You need to have 2FA set up on here to make sure that you have security, making sure that if any changes made to your account, you have to authorize it. Without 2FA, someone could hack into your account and they could take your money and change the wallet address, take your money. But only with 2FA can you prevent someone from doing that. So that's a great thing to also make sure you have 2FA enrolled. Now, when you come in, I want to show you, if you decide to share this with other people, it's a great thing because you can actually get a lot of extra money paid to you if you decide to recruit other people. As you see, I have several people in my downline here. The person I got underneath is a great promoter, so I actually got spillover from them, and you'll get spillover from me if you were to decide to come in under me. So if you come in under someone who's deciding they're going to recruit, you get some spillover for them as well, and you're going to earn on your weaker leg. So what you want to do is, if you decide you're going to recruit, then you want to make sure that you're positioning people into your weaker leg, because they will pay you on your weaker leg. Okay, but you don't have to recruit. That's just if you decide you want to go that route. But now I'm going to jump in real quick because it's been 6 minutes. I'm going to make this video real short, to the point, and make it sweet. They went ahead and paid me out to my wallet today, and they got paid out here. As you see, 0.44 BNB directly to my wallet. So I'm going to jump over to my Exodus wallet, and you see here's my payout here. I got my 0.4 BNB directly to my Exodus wallet. Came in earlier today, and it was just a phenomenal thing. Now, like I said, the value of BNB is rising, so you need to get in now while the price is fairly low. You don't have to get in with a whole BNB or 2 BNB. Of course, the more you get in, the more you're going to earn, because you're still going to earn 2.2% on the amount you decide to put into the platform. Okay, so I recommend you check this out, decide if it's right for you. If it's right for you, jump in. Click the link below this video to watch the other videos on how the whole operation works, including their referral commissions if you decide to recruit, but you don't have to. Also check the other video I have and show you how to get enrolled. Very simple, very easy. You can get enrolled in less than 10 minutes. And then go ahead and make your deposit and start earning. Now, this is very easy to do, but it's not going to be around for you to wait on this. You need to jump in now, because the price of BNB is rising. The longer you wait, the more it's going to cost you to get started. I'm trying to show you guys how to get in early when you can have the prices low, and then you earn as the price increases. Okay, so once again, this is Brian Farrell showing you how to get that BNB profit. Let's go ahead and let's rock it out. BNB to the moon for 2021, and we are out. Peace.